Hi, hello, good morning to you. This is László Adrian Spiller, or Spiller the IT Headhunter. Greetings from Budapest and greetings from the Városliget. Actually, I am not far from Hero Square, and I quickly created this short video blog for you because I wanted to tell you some more information about a new position that is available at a company that operates in the IT and telecom sector. So my client is looking for a cloud migration engineer specialized in Amazon Web Services. And the main focus of the job is first of all consult with technical and business stakeholders, of course about Amazon Web Services. Then you will have to define and improve migration plans and processes. You will have to perform migrations such as cloud to cloud and on-premise to cloud. You will also have to automate deployments and validations. Of course, the list is longer than this, but this is what I can tell you in a nutshell about the job itself. But let's have a quick look at the requirements as well. So, we require strong system engineering skills such as networks, operating systems, storages and databases. We also require understanding of Amazon Web Services, experience in infrastructure automation with Terraform, knowledge of platform as a service solutions, experience with on-premise private cloud and virtualization, such as OpenStack, VMware, and of course Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform experience is a plus. So these are the requirements, plus this person will have to speak fluent English because this professional will have to work in an international team where the language of work is obviously English. And I took some notes for you. So why should I recommend this job to you? So first of all, because this is complex and interesting. Second, you can work in an international team. Third, you can have several extra benefits, such as professional training courses and language courses, annual and quarterly bonuses, competitive cafeteria package, free sports facilities, life insurance, company community events, and so on and so on. The list is almost endless, so there are several benefits available at this company. Well, this is what I could tell you shortly about this position at this time. And if you think that you are a relevant candidate and if you are interested in this position and you fulfill the requirements, then please send your CV to laszlo.spiller@adecco.com and I will call you back, and of course we can discuss further details about the job and the company, and we can negotiate about your salary expectation as well. So thank you very much for your attention. Keep watching my video blog on YouTube, and I will soon come back to you with some more new interesting IT positions. The videos are available on my WordPress blog, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram as well. So please follow me on these channels. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.